Hey everyone, this is Rachel. This is not a process video, but hang on, it is a giveaway. Woo! Okay, I am at 1,999 subscribers, so I am thinking that I'm gonna hit that 2,000 mark pretty soon, and in anticipation of that, I went ahead and last week HipKit had a back to school sale and they had their grab bags, and I know from previous purchases of them that they are really worth the money. So I went ahead and I bought two in the anticipation of giving away one to one of my subscribers. So unfortunately right now I don't have the money to ship internationally, so this is only open to US residents who are a subscriber of mine, and basically that's it. All you have to do is leave a comment in the description box below and I will choose, or random.org will choose a winner. So you might want to know what it is you're trying to win, so I'm going to quickly go through this HipKit. First things first, you get this lovely wide washi, and Xanthi has decided to try to see if she can join in. You don't get Xanthi, sorry, she would be very hard to ship. So it's about 1 inch wide. It is hot pink and gold, and you get quite a bit of it. Next up, from Pinkfresh Studio Escape the Ordinary, we have these chipboard stickers, and they're very thin. I do own these, and I like them. They're different than other chipboard stickers. From One Canoe 2 Hazelwood, you get these 6x12 stickers. They're really pretty, and even if you don't own the Hazelwood line, they're very usable with other lines as well. You are going to get a package of thickers. These ones are from Amy Tangerine. They are called Goodness. They are chipboard thickers, and they are a light gray with a very faint crosshatch pattern to them. And they do have numbers as well. So you get those. You're going to get these Vicki Boutin mixed media embellishments. I don't necessarily think they're actually mixed media, but they're clips, and you get 9 different designs, but there's 4 of each design. So 36, you get 36 pieces in total. You do get a package of the HipKit Club Project Lifestyle cards. I did not open them, but it looks to be they're from August. So I don't know if it's August this year or August last year. I do not know, but they're very cute and like nice, bright, fun, summery colors. You are also going to get these Heidi Swapp decorative tags. They have silver and hot pink glitter in them, and there are all different shapes and sizes. Very cool. You are going to get My Mind's Eye Hello Gorgeous wood veneer pieces. There are circular pieces and then larger word tags. Another thing you will get is these Daily Flash October Afternoons Red Wagon alphas. So you get the medium-sized ones and then these tile ones as well. You are also going to get this Pinkfresh Studio Escape the Ordinary Studio Puff stickers. So you'll get 2 things from Escape the Ordinary, and who doesn't love puffy stickers? All right, and now it's time for paper. All right, first up we have these 2, because you're gonna get 2 of the same, A Case of the Blahs called Flossom, and that's a great name. And then the B side of this is a slightly angled black and white script, and it says, be messy and complicated and afraid, and then it's the important thing is just showing up, let go of the idea of winning or losing, so it's like affirmations. Next up, you will get from Dear Lizzie Stay Colorful this piece called Let's Boogie, and it has this scripty word hooray in black and white on one side, and then these daisies on the other. Next up, also from Stay Colorful, is this piece called Sweetness with ice cream cones on one side and then messy painted stripes on the other. All right, next up from Maggie Holmes Shine, we have this one called Memento with these numbers on the A side and then this pink and white zigzag on the B side. And then the next 2, you're actually going to get 2 each. You will get 2 each of these Simple Stories Summer Vibes Shine On paper, which has that gorgeous sunshine piece, and then these multicolor messy polka dots. And then the last set are these these 2 pieces of paper from Crate Paper's Hello Love collection, and they are called Blush. It has this lovely pink ombre on one side, and then these multi-patterned triangles on the other side. All right, so that is the Hip Kit grab bag that you, my subscribers, have a chance to win. All you have to do is be a subscriber. Then you have to also live in the US. I'm sorry about that, guys, this time around. It just has to be that way. And leave a comment in the description box below. You have until Sunday, October 14th, to leave a message for me. I will close it on Sunday, October 14th, 2018. And at that point, I will, on Monday, the 15th, put up a video leaving who won this awesome prize pack. I think it's awesome. You know, maybe I'm crazy, but I think it's pretty awesome. All right, folks, don't forget to leave me a message, a comment below. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and watching my videos and liking and commenting, because I really do appreciate it. There's a lot of work that goes into making videos, and even though, you know, I don't consider myself a professional and I'm not looking to really get anything out of it, the positive affirmation I get back from you guys and the just conversations that come out of it are great, and I really, really do appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my videos and, you know, just be part of my scrappy world. All right, folks, I'm gonna say goodbye. Don't forget, October 14th is the last date for this contest. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.